Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a slice quite text box in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert a slice quite text box in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the text box option and find the slice quite. Here the slice quite and we insert it to click. Now we can see we insert the slice quite text box. You can edit text on the text box, click the text box and edit text. Otherwise you can resize the text box very easily. Now we can see we insert and edit this slice quite text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.